Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider, and today we'll be talking about the Blum airdrop criteria and the new latest block update. Some days back on the Blum Telegram channel and on their X, they posted that the drop game ends in 6 days. That's play before May 13th. So because they said Blum is evolving and moving forward, the drop mini game will gracefully sunset next Tuesday, May 13th. Because the tap to earn mechanics no longer reflects where we are headed, but they remain parts of our journey. So Blum will no longer be functioning as a tap to earn platform. It's then going to be a trade to earn platform. So every Blum point that should be earned with or through tapping is going to stop by May 13th. So endeavor to tap and make use of your drop passes to be able to get as much money as possible. So you can see we are now focused on trading, upgrading features, and turning Blum into a smarter tool for navigating real market opportunities. The good news, you have 6 days to use your tickets and enjoy 2x rewards in Blum points. So from today, I guess we're having just 5 days remaining. So let's go back to the Blum app. So I get to let us know what is involved. So over here, you're going to get to find out that this is the meme point, this is the Blum point. Another criteria for you to be able to earn this airdrop, say we should be able to have at least 100,000 Blum points, 750 meme points, and then 2 referrals. If you don't have meme points, you should be able to have done your proof of activity. So I currently have 592 play passes, and Blum is offering that from now to when it ends on the 13th, you're going to be able to get ×2 of Blum points whenever you play this game. So also always endeavor to, when you come to Blum, always endeavor to claim your daily check-in and then claim the points as in mine. So these points will still continue. You still be able to mine this point. You still be able to do your daily check-in, but the feature that is going to be stopping now is going to be the tap to earn feature. So if you've not gotten the Blum meme points, I made a video on my channel where you can learn how to get the Blum meme points. Then let's go over to earn. So over at the end session, all the tasks that still offer Blum points will still be available. So the only feature that's going to be stopping now will be the tapping feature. So you can get to complete these features and these tasks so that you can get enough Blum points. So if you've not gotten up to 100,000 Blum points, you still have some days. And notice that they told us that the listing date or listing period is going to be during spring, and that period is almost coming to an end. So we're expecting this TGE around this month or June, latest July. So over here at the main part, here is where you'll be able to see various tokens where you can trade on the Blum trading bot. So I think that's all for this airdrop. So endeavor to continue trading. The video on how to trade and get meme points is in my channel, and then don't forget to connect your wallet and invite friends. Keep claiming points, and I hope that the Blum airdrop favors us all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram channel in the description so you can get more updates on various crypto airdrops. See you next time.